Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my Ulta haul. I actually went to Ulta twice on like 2 different occasions, and I picked up some new goodies that I'm really excited about. So you guys want to see what I picked out, and of course let's get started. Alright, so I have a mixture of like new products slash old products, because you guys know I tend to just buy makeup whenever I feel like trying it out, and sometimes I do kind of follow the trend. It just really depends on how I'm feeling in the moment. So I guess I will do like the newer products first to get those out the way, then I'll show you guys like the older products towards the end. So starting off, I do have the new NYX California Beaming Bronzer. I actually seen this online first, and when I seen it online I was like, I have to get my hands on it just to kind of try it out. This one is in the one called Cali, and here is what it looks like. It's a nice size pan, and there's actually shimmer in here, so I'm not sure if it's going to work as a bronzer on me or actually work as a highlighter. I'm not sure because I haven't even like tried it yet. Let's actually swatch it. It's really pretty when you swatch it. That's really orange. Can you guys see that? So I'm feeling like it might work better as a highlighter, but again, once I actually put it to the test, I'll definitely like keep you guys posted on it. But again, it is a nice size pan. I do have the deepest one. They actually had 2 other shades, and again, I do have the deepest one. So again, it's by NYX. It's going to be the California Beaming Bronzer. Moving along, I do have another product by NYX. It's going to be the Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. It's going to be pretty much like almost like a, I don't want to call it a BB cream, but somewhere along the lines of that. I have mine in a color called Deep Mocha, and I'm not even sure if the color is going to work for me. They had a few color options, and I just went by the picture that was on the actual bottle. So this is a color that it looks like, and I just went based off of that. And it's supposed to be, again, it's a skin veil. It's supposed to provide fresh face. It's supposed to provide a fresh face look. It evens out skin tone, provides seamless coverage. It's breathable, weightless formula. Your skin looks luminous, do not streak, provides up to 8-hour wear. So I'm assuming it's supposed to be like a BB cream, but it says supposed to wear for 8 hours. So that's the part that's throwing me off. Ooh, that's too dark. All right, here is the color called Deep Mocha, which is swatched right here on my hand. And it actually gives you pretty good coverage. So it might be an actual like foundation, to be honest, because that gave really good coverage. It does feel lightweight. I'm going to see if they have a lighter shade. Maybe the shade above this one may work better for me, because this looks pretty dark. So yeah, I'm just going to go back and get the shade that's above this one. But again, that's Deep Mocha, and it's going to be the Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil by NYX Cosmetics. So when I go back and I change my shade out, I'll definitely do a first impressions on this product, so you guys can definitely see it in action. And I'll also use the NYX bronzer as well. So I do have those 2 products. And then I got pretty much the majority is going to be Makeup Revolution, because I asked you guys if you wanted to see a full face of their products. You guys said yes. So I wanted to pick out some newer products from their collection versus using like the older ones in my collection. Of course, I will go back and like utilize my older products, but I wanted to get some new products as well. So the first one is going to be the Makeup Revolution Shook Highlighting Palette. Here is the actual pan for it. It's really nice. It's like a tin can type of material, and then on the back it just breaks down the layout of the actual highlighting palette. And then when you open it up, you do get a nice size mirror on top, and then on the bottom is going to be the actual highlighters. Typically I wouldn't go for pans like these because it's kind of hard to get your brush in there. However, you do get 6 highlighters in here, so you have a nice mixture of like your golden colors, you have your whites, you have your pinks, you have like the bronzy colors. And you guys know I do love their highlighting palette, the one that I have in my collection. So I wanted to give this one a try, just to kind of use something that was new and different for the video. So I'm super excited about it. This color is actually my favorite. I just want to swatch it right quickly. It feels really smooth swatching it. and it's really pigmented. So here is it swatched on my hand. So that's really pretty. So I do have high hopes with this palette because I typically love their highlighters. They haven't done me wrong in the past. So I do have high hopes for this palette. The other colors that I can't use, like this white one and this like peachy one, I can probably use it as like an inner corner highlight for my eye look, or just, you know, something along the lines of that, just to kind of get some use out of those colors. But the other colors I can definitely use on my face, I'm assuming. All right, moving on. I also have 1, 2, 3 new eyeshadow palettes from them. This one is going to be the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Unconditional Love eyeshadow palette. Love the packaging. It's like a marble type packaging. It's really cute. Again, it's that like tin can material, and then you have a nice mirror on top right here. And then here are the actual colors for this palette. You guys know this is definitely my kind of colors. I love the burgundies, I love the pinks, I love the purples. It's definitely more like on the pink, burgundy, like brick red side. So it's definitely my kind of colors. They actually had another one in store, but I do know online they do have more color options online. But this one definitely caught my attention in store, so I had to get it, and I cannot wait to actually like dive in and play with it. I am going to swatch a few colors. This one called Love Letter is this like brownish, orangish kind of color. It's really pretty. I'm just going to swatch that. Oh yeah, that's really pigmented too. Look at that swatch. So pretty. All right, let's swatch a shimmer. I'm just going to do the purple one next to it. That one is called Movie. And touching it, it feels really buttery like when you first touch it. So that makes me really excited. Oh yeah, look at that swatch. So nice. So I definitely have really high hopes. Again, you will be seeing this in that full face first impressions using like just all of their makeup products. So that one I'm definitely excited about. And then I also have 2 of their other eyeshadow palettes. Now these kind of palettes, you guys know I always tend to, I don't want to say the word collect, but I almost feel like because I have them all, I might as well say that I pretty much collect them. But I do have this one. It's going to be the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Matte Eyeshadow Palette. It's going to be a pretty colorful eyeshadow palette. I have their basic matte eyeshadow palette. Now I have this really pretty like colorful one. And I just kind of figured, you know, it's spring and summertime, so why not just give it a try. I don't really dabble in too much into color, but I'm trying to like get out of my comfort zone. And I do feel like just an all matte colorful eyeshadow palette may definitely come in handy. So super excited about this palette. All right, so here is the inside of the palette. Again, it's a really pretty colorful eyeshadow palette. It's going to be an all matte eyeshadow palette. You have your really pretty like yellows, your orange, your purples, your blues, just any kind of like colorful eyeshadow color you can think of is pretty much in this palette. The only thing I'm afraid of is it going to be pigmented? Is it going to be like patchy and like light when you put it on the eyes? That's the only thing I'm kind of skeptical about, but I'm definitely excited about it. I'm just going to swatch this color. All right, so here's that first color swatched on my hand right here on the side. So it definitely does apply really nice. So that one went on really nice. Let's do the green. I feel like yellows are so hard to do. So the yellow one, I don't have too much high hopes with the yellow one, but at the same time I'm not gonna like say it won't be good either, but I know yellow is really hard to do. That green one went on nice as well. So this is going to be their basic, no, it's going to be the Marvelous Matte eyeshadow palette. Again, it's going to be a full like colorful eyeshadow palette. So if you love like colorful eyeshadows, definitely pick it out. You guys know these only cost $7, so they're super inexpensive. I also have this other one. Is going to be the Provocative eyeshadow palette. I actually saw this one in the clearance section. I was actually surprised because I've never seen it with their main like pieces, so I'm not sure if someone put it there accidentally, but I haven't seen this one at all, but I had to get my hands on it. It's definitely my kind of colors. So here is the inside of this palette. You guys don't tend to gravitate towards these kind of shadows. I will be honest and say it does resemble some of their other colors in their palettes like this. So I don't think it's one of those palettes that you have to get. It does lean more on the cool tone side in terms of the actual like pinks and purples. It looks more cool tone versus warm. That's why I had to get my hands on it, because it was different to me, but I kind of feel like the colors do lend itself to their other palettes, so you don't have to get it. But again, to me, it leans more on the cool tone side versus the warm. I'm just gonna swatch 2 colors from this one. All right, so here's that first color right here on my hand. It swatched really good as well. Like their palettes like these, they never disappoint me. Like they always perform really good. So that's why I always tend to just buy them, because I know they tend to perform really well. And for the price, I'm like, it's $7. You can't really beat it. So, ooh, this one is really pretty. Look at that one right there. That one looks so good. So I do have 3 eyeshadow palettes to play with for the actual video. I'm not sure which one to dive into. Let me know. Like, do you guys want me to do the provocative palette? Should I do the Marvelous Mattes, or should I do the Unconditional Love? Let me know which one to actually use in that video. Therefore, I can just go ahead and get that video filmed for you guys. So moving on, I do have a lip product from them. It's going to be the Makeup Revolution matte lip product. It's going to be in the color called Matte Dollhouse. The packaging is really nice. It's like a frosted kind of packaging. I don't really do liquid lipstick formulas that often, but I just kind of figured for the video I would give it a try. It's a really pretty like baby doll pink color, and I got it because of the palette that I purchased. So I kind of figured whatever look I create, it would pretty much just go hand in hand with it. I also have 2 of their older lip products in my collection as well. I didn't want to use those because I don't think they carry those like within their actual line anymore, because I don't see it on the actual shelf. So I wanted to get a new lip color for the video. And then I also picked up the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Baking Powder. It's going to be more of that yellow powder. I have heard really good things about their actual like baking powder, so I do have high hopes for it. They definitely had other colors to choose from, but I kind of feel like yellow is always the safest option for me, just to be honest. So yeah, I did get that one. I did get that one. Again, it's going to be the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Baking Powder. And I don't really bake that often, to be honest with you guys. You know, I bake here and there. So, I don't know. We'll see how it performs, because I don't like my eyes to look crepey and dry underneath. So that's why I don't really bake that often. But I do have high hopes for it. Alright, so that's pretty much all of my Makeup Revolution purchases. Moving on into everything else. I did get this little like mini palette by Morphe. I saw it in line when I was checking out. It's going to be the 3B Pure Nude Eyeshadow Palette. And I want to say it was super inexpensive. So I kind of figured it'll be like a nice like travel palette or something like that. The colors in here definitely were, you know, like they're just the go-to neutral colors for any eye look. So that's why I had to get my hands on it. You have that nice caramel color for the crease. You have that really pretty like pinkish brownish color, and of course that deep brown. So just kind of feel like it's the staple colors for the crease. It's the staple colors for a woman of color for like any eye look. So I kind of figured for like, I think it was $5. I might be wrong, but anyways, it was really inexpensive, and I had to get my hands on it to travel because I just think it's really nice and compact and sleek. And again, it's the go-to colors for just a nice eye look. Moving on, I did get this So Juicy Plumping Gloss by ColourPop. Packaging is so freaking cute. I got mine in a color called Dress Code, and they had a nice display when I first walked into Ulta, but it was pretty much like sold through. I did want to try another color, but again, it was pretty much sold out, so I just got this color instead. And it's just a really pretty like burgundy kind of color, and I think it looks so pretty against my skin tone, and I'm super excited about it. Just a glossy like hint of color on the hand. So I haven't tried it yet because I was waiting to film this video. So now that I've actually filmed the video, I can actually play with it. Too bad it's already like sold out at Ulta, but I can always order it online. So I did purchase that product. And then I saw this little like Kylie mini liquid lipsticks, and I thought it was so cute. In here you do get Candy K, and you also get Charm Velvet. It's her liquid lipsticks. I only have, I want to say I have True Brown. I think I just have True Brown K, and that's it. So I just kind of figured it'll be a great way for me to just try some more colors. Here's what the colors look like. I do feel like these colors I would have to pair with a brown lip liner, which is fine. I mean, I'm used to doing that with any like nude that's too light. So here are the two colors swatched on my hand right there. So again, they're more on the pinkish, like nudish side. So I think paired with a brown lip liner is gonna look really pretty, and it's so cute and tiny, and I thought it was really cool, so I did pick that up. I also have this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. It's going to be the Nubian 2. I did purchase one of their other eyeshadow palettes, and I saw this one, and it just caught my attention to where I was like, I have to get it. Here is what the actual eyeshadow looks like. They're super big within the actual like pan. Like that's a huge pan for an actual eyeshadow, and the colors in here pretty much just scream my name. Like the blue, the burgundy, the blue, the green, the bronze, the gold, like everything in here just screamed my name. And I can also see myself using this as an actual highlighter on my face if I wanted to. So I just had to get it and just play with it, and I just feel like her products are really good and pigmented, so I wanted to just get my hands on another eyeshadow palette of hers. This is going to be actually my second eyeshadow palette from them. Then I have just two random products. It's going to be like skincare products. I purchased the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Coconut Lime. I have tried their products in the past like so long ago, and I haven't even purchased anything new from them in a long time. So I wanted to just go ahead and get this product because it's summertime, and of course you're going to be showing your legs, your arms. So I wanted to make sure my legs was nice and just, you know, prepped and ready for the summer. And it smells so good. It actually smells like a lime drink. I don't know, it smells so good. The one I tried from them was, I think, the mango, Tahitian mango something something. It was so long ago, you guys, the name might be incorrect, but it was something along that line. So I did purchase that product. And then this product is going to be the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel Lotion. It's a sunscreen, SPF 50. I actually got this to take with me to St. Thomas, and I totally forgot about it because it was actually in my Ulta bag. So it just sat in Georgia the entire time, and when I was pulling out my products to film the video, I was like, hold up, I purchased you to go with me to St. Thomas. Like, what the hell happened? So I do have it still for the summer. I do have one more trip planned this summer. It's supposed to be a non-greasy, water-resistant, hydrating gel lotion, and it's supposed to work in terms of also like the SPF aspect of it. So I do love the Hydra Boost line. That's why I purchased this product, and I cannot wait to give it a try. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my Ulta haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to give